so I didn't want to do any editing or anything, no watermarks or anything. I wanted to come to you and tell you. So you're seeing this video on a Sunday at 6. I just took a refreshing shower and oiled all of me, okay? Today has been so productive. When I tell you, I just got back in from underpinning my deck again. Some of the pins came out. Had to go get 6-inch pins. No, I got 4-inch pins and put them in between. I did that. I sprayed weeds. I pulled weeds. I refreshed the back door rug. I did a mini haul. Just got done hanging this for my cast iron pans to get them off of my stove. I just did. I'm doing laundry currently. And today, so I am literally washing as well. So mines are in. I'm getting ready to do my daughter's clothes after. It's a very productive day. I got stuff I need to shift and move around. Every day I've been getting up doing things, and I said, why not do just a quick mini haul? So yesterday I went out and I went not thrifting. I was actually looking for a little stand to put here. Let me show you. I wanted this because I love this, but you can open it and I can't get in it when I'm constantly having this there and, you know, the candy dish and stuff there. So I'm constantly having to open it. What's in here? I have those vanilla cream Werthers, some Prince, I forgot the name, ginger chews, and then some other kind of little candies under there. Some Asian, like little leche candies. I always try to keep candies in there, but I wanted to find something very small to go here, but more square. That way I can take this and put this back on the side of my couch with the other one, because it's two. It's like a nesting table thing, but you can put stuff in them. So what I end up doing was putting my feet things, like when people have to come in and I need to give them one under there, because I can't keep opening this up, and that was the purpose of putting this there, to open it up and grab them. So they're just sitting there for right now. And so I went out looking for that, couldn't find anything, but I did find a nice yard sale. The people were so sweet. Lady literally blessed me. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff I got. Let me get my y'all, I'm in Medea mode. Just got out the shower. I'm chilling with my moo-moo on. I also went to Menards yesterday to get some fabric, because I want to do something with, from Hobby, not Menards, Hobby Lobby. So hold on, let me set y'all up. So this is just like an update on my video uploads. It's in my heart to share and to post and to teach and all of that. So it's hard for me to step away. It's been over 15 years. So what I decided to do is I'm going to change up my posting. Now, remember, I used to just post whenever. Now, what I'm going to do is 2 days, Sunday and Wednesday, right? Those are going to be the longer videos, at least 8 minutes or more. But throughout between Sunday and Wednesday, you're going to get videos. They could be 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Some might even be 8. But just know that the videos that are 8 minutes or longer, and why I say 8 minutes, because for us content creators, you can't put any commercials under videos that are 8 minutes or something like that. I think that's what it is. So 8 minutes or longer, definitely, probably gonna be way longer than 8 minutes, but Tuesdays and Wednesdays for sure at 6 p.m. that's when you're gonna get a video. And if I change that, I'll put I didn't look and see if 6 p.m. was good for Wednesday. I didn't look at that. I think it should be fine. But anywho, that's going to be the new schedule, Tuesday and Wednesday, because I feel like back-to-back days is kind of like, if you're good, Sundays is just a good day. A lot of people are relaxing, but I feel like if you're not, then it's like Monday, and that's the day where everybody's up, going, and life is happening, and you're back to work, back to school if you're schooling, or, you know, when school gets back in. So I said, let's try Monday and Wednesday. I did the other schedule for over 90 days. I'm going to try to stick to this Sunday and Wednesday for at least 90 days, and go from there. So I got this fabric here, and this is what it looks like. Isn't that vibrant and pretty, y'all? And this is a 14-inch piece. And then I got this here as well. So this is a 7-inch, but it's longer. I think it's a 58-inch piece of fabric. So I'm going to do something for these two pillows right here in front with the velvet. They're just plain pillows, and they have like a tan bottom with like a faux I don't know what this is supposed to be at the bottom. So I got these. I may use this for something else. I might do a reversible if I just want to pop a color and something new. I was thinking one side would be this, one side would be that. So stay tuned for me doing the pillows for that. Very affordable, no sew, how to get stuff in for cheap and all that to make you some nice throw pillows. So that's that. Now let's get into all of this stuff I got from the yard sale. So I'm walking around, I'm seeing a couple things. I always admonish anyone, if you see a frame, it's kind of big, y'all, hold up. If you see a frame, grab it. If this is solid wood, this is a wood frame, right? You may not like the picture, but I am one for grabbing pictures that have good canvas or good frames. You see this? And I don't know exactly how big it is, but it was $5, right? It was $5. It's heavy. And I'm like, oh, I can paint that frame black or whatever color and do my own artwork. I'm thinking to do something really nice that mimics me and my 3 daughters. So I got that. Then I need a new shade for my lamp, that black lamp with the rivets that I showed you. I'm gonna bring that back in the house. I just don't know where I'm gonna put it. So she had this shade here, right? And she wanted $2. And she had this shade here and she wanted $1. Right? So I'm just looking and looking. I'm going back. I'm seeing this little table. Come to find out, it didn't open the way I thought it was. It was for sewing. It was for sewing. So that wouldn't have helped because it wouldn't have had a little area where I could put the little extra candies that I want to change out my candy dish with, and also the foot thingies. I don't want them open like that. I want them in a concealed little square, little something. I think that's about 18 inches. So I'm looking for something that size or smaller to go there to put the little candle warmer back on it. Or I might move my candle warmer somewhere else. I'm really thinking about moving it somewhere else because it has gotten bumped when we're coming in the house with big stuff. So I might move that over where it's out of the way, maybe somewhere by the TV. I don't know. We'll figure that out later, but that's what I was there for. Couldn't find anything. She was like, hey, you know, we're willing to bargain and negotiate, so just talk to us and let us know, you know. And I was thinking that in my head, because even, you know, you see, let's be honest, you see something for 50 cents, you're like, oh, I'm gonna ask them if they're gonna take a quarter. That's just me. I'm sorry, maybe that's not you, but that's just me. So because it's a yard sale, most people are doing this because they're trying to get rid of stuff. So I seen this and it was 50 cents. Like, you can't go wrong with a wood tray. And I'm like, yeah, I could find something to do with this. And I'm thinking to hang it on the wall and kind of like let it be like a box with something hanging out of it. I don't know. This might go in my area in the laundry room. I'm not thinking, but I will be doing a propagation wall with nothing but greenery hanging in little jars and stuff. So this might be in there somewhere. I don't know. Or it can go somewhere because it has a nice little space for like nice little 2-inch plants. I got a great idea. I want it to be something unique and something different that I utilize it for. So that was 50 cents. And then I seen this. I walked past this twice, but it was so soft. It was so big. I'm like, okay. Some people get stuff in it. They're hot natured, and even in the winter it's too much for them. It might be for us too, but I was just like, you know what? It is by Room. I don't know where this came from. Do anybody know where Room and Retreat collection is from? I don't know what store that's from or whatever, but this is cute. Look, let me show you. It's in a big Burlington bag. I think it's a king size, if I'm not mistaken. So here I am. I got this cover, and I got the little tray, and then these shades in this picture was out of the garage, outside as you walk in. And so when I was walking in to see this, she was like, we'll do deals. So I was like, okay, I think I got what I want. So I was looking at the cover. I said, you can't beat that. Having company, you never know. If you really need to be very warm, I think you should always have something big like that. That's not something I'll probably sleep with all the time, but you just never know. He can be acting up one time and we got to cuddle up together. That is the perfect thing. I'm going to put it like in a bag where I can get the air out of it so it won't take up so much space when I store it. So yeah, I got that. So I'm thinking, okay, that's $5, that's $2, that's $1, that's 50 cents. Okay, you know, what's that? 10, 11, 12, 13, 50. Okay, all right, not too bad. This cover is worth that by itself. This cover is worth that by itself. He was like, yeah, we just got it. It's not, we didn't use it much. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Like, so nice. And so, long story short, I'm trying to get something. She was like, give me $3. I said, $3? She said, yes. Just give me $3. Take it. You see anything else you want? I had wanted one. I was just gonna get one of the shades. She was like, take both of them. You can have both of them. And I was like, oh. And so I'm thinking that all of this is her stuff, but she was saying 3 for the picture and the 2 shades. And so I was like, okay. And so the guy was like, okay, so for the cover and the little, this is why you have to open your mouth, the cover and the little tray, he was like, yeah, that's mine. He was like, okay, that'll be, I said, oh, I'm sorry, I thought this was her stuff. He was like, oh no, whatever she told you, take it. Yep, all of it. You can have all of it. So I ended up getting everything for $3. So I just wanted to share that because I didn't want to do a video just for that, and also update y'all on what's going on, update you guys on the fact that I am going to be doing Sunday and Wednesday, and we're going to see how that goes. Talk to me in the comments. I do talk back. I am trying to just load this straight to YouTube. I don't want to edit it. I don't want to put nothing below because I had to get a video out for today, and I am so relaxing. I'm not going to edit. Tom literally came earlier than I thought. So yeah, we're not editing nothing. We're about to cut this light off, get back on the couch and relax watching some of the YouTubers I like to watch. So yeah, that's that. This is all the stuff I did today. Literally went to Menards, Aldi's, Dollar Tree, mounted the cast iron thing, pulled the chairs from the garage, put them in the front because I got to paint those, so stay tuned for it. I did one porch refresh. Oh, y'all should have seen what I did. I haven't edited that yet. I just did it like 3 days ago with my door and some plants and all that good stuff. Sprayed the weeds, pulled weeds, washing 3 loads. I'm washing currently. And then I did a mini haul. I did a haul on these lights. Oh, these little lights from Dollar Tree. I did that. And then I did my feet, and then I gotta fold clothes. That should be the last thing I do tonight. Rizzy's gonna eat dinner with her job. She get a free meal today, so that's a good thing. Yeah, so that's it. I'm relaxing. Lights going out and meeting back on my couch. But yeah, wasn't that a great deal? This bad boy is going into the washer, so I'm glad I got it just the day before wash day. And yeah, that's what your girl is doing. So stay tuned. I got lots of stuff I need to edit. I want to start going live and doing stuff because it is so tedious to try to edit after and remember. Every time I go do a video, I'm like, oh shoot, I forgot to edit that. I still didn't share that. I have hundreds of videos I still haven't shared. It's just so overwhelming. But I love you guys. I thank you guys who really rocking for me. Cynthia, Flo, it's so many of y'all that just are so consistent that it doesn't matter. Within 48 hours, y'all coming through and showing me love, and that means so much. And y'all the ones that got me holding on. Like, you guys are the ones that got me holding on. I don't know what's going on with this algorithm. You know, I've been dealing with this for the longest, and I have some great content, but it's not motivating to share when you don't really get as much feedback and things are happening just unfairly right now. So I don't know, but God's doing something. I do believe that. And yeah, talk to me in the comments. I do talk back. Later, guys.